Now this is how you can use the Apple Pencil in the iPad calculator. So let me talk about it. Let me show you how it would work. If it's your first time in here on the Foxtecc channel, most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so the Apple Pencil can be used to navigate around the iPad, generally speaking. So even if you go to the calculator app, you could technically use the Apple Pencil to tab the numbers and all of the equations and stuff. So that would work, but most likely what you are referring to are the handwritten math notes. And you can most definitely do that if you click on the calculator icon in the top right, which will reveal more options. Like you will be able to switch from the basic to the scientific or, other stuff. But there is also the math notes. So you can click there and this shows up like the notes section within the calculator. And you can write here the different equations, right? So you can literally use your Apple Pencil or even finger to write down all of the different stuff, write the equal sign, and you will get the result written on the screen. So it's actually very nice and very practical in that sense. It hasn't always been the case on the iPad, but also having a calculator hasn't been the case for a very long time on the iPad. So I guess it would make sense to keep your iPad up to date to get the latest versions of all of the different apps and features. But that is generally how it would work. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to find and do what you needed. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more. And I hope to catch you later in the next videos too.